All right, what's up, guys? My name is Dylan. I'm the newest guy here at Graveyard Run. I'm over like the YouTube channel and the social media and stuff like that. So if you have any ideas for like videos, let me know. If you comment on videos and stuff, I'll answer you. So if I say something wrong in a video, don't get mad at me. You know, give me just the advice and everything like that. I'm learning. That's what I'm doing, and I'm also being the mechanic apprentice. So I'm coming in to work on the cars and everything like that and run this. So yeah, also thanks for watching, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because we're gonna start doing more, like, I guess, vlogs. I've came up with the idea of vlogs, like daily videos. So it'd be a daily uploaded thing. We would have, like, I don't know, like all the stuff that's going on in the shop. Like, we have the Mustang in there right now. We'd take a video on what we're doing with that, and so on and so forth, so that y'all can see more behind the scenes of everything that's going on and stuff like that. So yeah, all right, now to the video.
Armature I've blasted it off, which will indicate for your indicator. I'll get some fluorescent orange, which is supposed to be for the indicator.
All of the sway bar stuff came in yesterday. The sway bars got to get painted black, and all the brackets and stuff all came in. We got the bush and stuff like that. Yeah, we're taking care of all of that. Got that all in. The 4-groove pulley came. We got the 4-groove pulley yesterday. So Harlan's painting all that right now. So whenever that's all done, you get an update on that. But we got the interior coming together pretty well. We have a brake pedal in there. The wiring. You see, you got the main harness hooked up. Wires are in. The horn. The horn's hooked up and all that. Ran on. Yeah. These are gonna hold the AC when they run through. There's the pressure. All that. A wash fluid bucket. This is kind of what we're basing it off of, is this picture right here. So it ain't gonna be orange, so. You see it? Like that. And it'll all just kind of hold into place like that. That's what we're basing it off of. So yeah. Alright. Working on the dash, the inside of the cluster right now. Got it all tore down. That's a temp gauge.
This was the temp gauge, yeah. And then I've got all the gauges. I've got these sanded. They're ready to start going. This. There. I just started this one sanding it. I've got this one ready for spray. I'll tear this apart. spray all the spokes and stuff, you know. And I've got my odometer.
This is cool. And here's like your, warning lights right there, your oil. The other one's your, oh, wow. Here's your oil. Here's your brake one. I guess your turn signals. You have your little other, lights.
Yeah, I've got to clean all that housing. I've to take the gaskets off and clean all the plastics where each one of them's at. Clean these all up. Re-white this out, get it all clean. Housing's got to be redone. Circuit board's got to be all cleaned.
At least that circuit board looks really good.
Yeah, just want to clean around where it actually makes contact on it.
Mm-hmm.
Still got the real little Chrysler logo still on the circuit board. It's in really good shape.
I've seen some circuit boards where like the circuit itself is like peeling out of the board and everything. So all that's still good. The plugs look good. Yeah. You have it covered up right now, so there's no dust or anything that gets on the paint. Everything, just so it just stays pristine. That's what we're going for. Yeah.
All right, well, here we have the dash pieces. If the other day you saw me take and wet sand all the instrument panel gauges and stuff all down, all that has been painted and taken care of. Everything was wet sanded out. I'm doing the same process to the rest of the wood grain, which is plastic pieces that go across. Well, they have a wood grain, they have a chrome line, and they have chrome through the coronet. Well, as you see, all the black around the outside is just coming off. So what we're going to do is we're going to wet sand all this down and remove all the original paint and all the silver and the chrome and everything that's on it. I will show you step by step as we go through and take these pieces, and we will redo the Coronet 500, we will redo the silver, and I will redo all the wood grain. And then we'll paint the black on the end of the pieces. And give you a kind of idea step by step of how you do that, and let y'all see how you refix all the original plastics to make them look brand new again. If you don't have a piece of plastic that's worthy of doing, a lot of times the paint will be ruined and the back will be bad. That isn't a big thing. Small scratches and stuff aren't a big thing. You wet sand them out. The problem with plastic, if it gets dried out, starts cracking and fibering, then it's no good. But this piece is pretty good shape. It's worth saving. We're going to use it and repaint it. I'm running over this. I've been running over it with 3,000. I'm on 5,000. And I walked out a bunch of scratches that were real bad in it. Could have been anything. People throwing their keys up there. Who knows? It's all sanded out really well. And I'm going to clean it up and polish it. And then take it the rest of the way apart and paint it. If you look over there, George, on the other table, the other pieces were painted last night, and Harlan sprayed them and got them ready. Turn around and move right over to the other end of the table.
her up a little bit. Painted those.
New gauges. There was a new needle.
There's a new needle and there's the, we like that.
These working on speedo itself. Probably going to town.
What's up, Dylan?
Thinking it looked pretty.
Alright, let me show
Look
you.
at that.
Let me
Look
show you
at
something. Okay, get where you can see the shine, I'll tell you what's up. Okay, you can see the damage on that? That's an original piece of stainless. And it's not really that bad. That's totally normal wear and tear. And you could polish that up and it would be okay, but it would still have all those scratches in it. So what I'm doing is sanding it with a DA, starting with 600 and ending in 5,000 grit. I've got this piece sanded all the way out to 5,000 grit. 600 cuts out all those original imperfections, and then every step down, all you're doing is taking out your previous sand scratch marks. But that can be buffed and polished and look flawless. And that's what we're going for. So just a comparison. It's like a before and after. I'm sanding all of that out and getting it to 5,000 grit where I can polish it. These are the rear window trim pieces on the Coronet, because it's a hard top. You know, all the glass goes down, all the windows go down. So right now on this piece, which I believe is the passenger side, or this is the vent window piece. Anyway, on this piece, 600, pretty much I stay in 600 the longest, and it cuts out all the deep gouges and scratches. That's what it looks like original right there. I gotta cut all that out. So it's a process, but in the end you end up with a flawless piece of stainless, and you don't have to pay somebody exorbitant amounts of money to do it.
That's a good word.
Such as Brightworks or Chrome companies. All it takes is patience and watching your material, you know. Cut everything out with 600, and then from that point on, I'm stepping it down, you know, to a finer grit sandpaper and cutting out all my sand scratches. It only works on stainless though. You can't do this with the chrome. And if you start sanding on the chrome, you're just going to take away the chrome plating, and you'll end up with a piece of metal that has to be re-tripped or re-dipped and treated all the way through the chrome process. Stainless only. Coronet doesn't have a whole lot of stainless, but it has some.
Hey everybody, it's Harlan from Graveyard Run Restorations. If you liked our video, hit that subscribe button and see you next time.